Hi everybody, I am Jason, that is Brett, and on this episode of Brett's Brick Build, a classic build, we have from 1986, the Super Tow Truck, kit number 1572. Got original instructions in pretty decent shape. Originals, no reprints, no tape. A little crispy, a few rips, but still always nice to have the original instructions. So, what do you say, Brett? Want to build this tow truck? Correct, the Super Tow Truck. Let's go ahead and get into her here and see what we got. Ooh. Have windshield bagged separately, which is always nice. Shows detail from the seller, and that is, it's got some marks on it, but it's not yellowed. Nice and still, nice and clear. Have the tow hook, the off the broken Lego tow hook. This one in black. Usually these are in. Usually see these in gray, but this one in black. Very nice. Then we have, it's like most of our translucents and our minifigure set aside in this bag here. So it's 1986 kit, so it's still just the standard smiley face. And first thing we'll do, get all figure put together so you guys can get a look at him. It's in really nice shape. So here we got his hat. That is an impressive bill on that hat also. Get him up here a little closer so you guys can see him. Focus there. So he's got the blue overalls or the white shirt. No printing on the rear. It's kind of the standard Lego guy, but then the bill on that hat. He is definitely protecting himself from the sun in that one. Go ahead and stand him up there and continue on with the build. This one I picked up pretty long time ago. It was one of those, watch the channel, I joke about being lost in the house. This is one of the ones that wound up lost in the house for a while. Not really a frame with this design, it's more of a, what do you call it? We're building the frame for this. Sorry, the build itself, it didn't have, you know, like now they come with the standard like frame piece. Like if you buy any of the race car kits or whatnot, they come with the frame right on there, and you just add to it and build off of that. But on these, this is the kind of setup of you make your own frame. Got some clear headlights or the driving lights going on this thing. They're stuck together. There we go. We've got a layer of red started here because it's a lot of Americana going on. Red, white, and blue tow truck action. Sorry about that little cough. Yeah, take just a quick drink here, folks. Bear with me. Delicious. Yeah, these two pieces, they came together. They the instructions. I show you how to pop them together, but these were already together in the kit, so I'll continue on. Got a couple. What's that, Brett? Yeah, this is like one of those tow trucks for semi trucks, kind of tow truck, the real big ones. There we go. A couple of 1x2s on the front here. We have a 1x3 or a 2x3 block. Here, a couple of 1x1 blocks. One by three, and then a 1x2. A 1x3. A 1x2. Over here. We're staying on script here. So, step 7 on the next page. Tow hook on there. I don't know if that's it, or it's supposed to be one further back. I'm not sure. A little hard in this perspective. I'm going to say it's there. It's Lego. If we have to, we can move it a little later. Here. Actual doors. Opening doors. Kind of becoming rare in some of the newer sets. We've got a white unbroken. This grill piece. These were often broken. Usually in black and usually broken. Nice square cab windshield. 1x3 or 1x4 plate across the top. There. Roof. There. We have our lights across the top there. Flipping her over here. I'm closing the cab off with these two 1x2 blocks. These and the headlight holder pieces, but in this case, I'm going to go 2 in the front and 2 in the back. I see what we're doing here. Yellow's going to be in the front for the driving lights. Red's going to be in the back for the brake lights. See how I put that together, Brett? All by myself, man. Yeah, not much gets by that Jason guy. And these axles are in great shape. Put the light on here. No rust. Chrome's real nice on the wheels. These were my favorite wheels that Lego ever made. They were the best ones. They're durable. They fit all the big trucks nicely. One in the rear. There it is. Let's get over You folks can see her a little better. Side view, front view, rear. Then we have the hook tilts down. Tilt it down, get it under the bumper, and then moves it back up. Set it there. And that is it. I think it's a 60-piece kit, 60-something piece kit. Wasn't counting. Went to get the there open. Get our driver in. There he is, all set to go. Doing some towing and recovery. Now, big stuff worthy of the super tow truck. Again, 1986 complete kit with the original instructions. Nice little find we had, and then we had to refine it again in the house, which is always fun. Dual smokestacks on there. So, we want to thank you for stopping by. If you go ahead and hit that like and subscribe for us, we'd appreciate it. Helps build the algorithm, helps build viewers, and helps the channel out overall. And it helps you out because it sends you to similar content if you like this kind of stuff. But that's all we got for you this episode. I am Jason. That is Brett. We'll see you next week with another classic build. Same bat time, same bat channel.